Hello, if you wonder does Redmi 15C have AI features, I can tell you that yes, there is some of the AI features on this phone and I will show you what exactly is available on a Redmi 15C. So open the settings and after searching for AI phrase, we are able to find Xiaomi Hyper AI Engine. So this is the first AI feature on this phone. Also in the camera we can find in the settings of the camera we can find feature like AI recommendations, like scan QR codes and notify about orientation. And also on this phone is pre-installed Gemini Assistant, which allows you to talk with your AI assistant and ask him whatever you really want. So this is also a very cool feature, and basically that's all for this video. This is the all features that I found on this Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.